Hi everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming by. Today I have the Bella SkinBox, so let's get in and see what we've got. The Bella SkinBox is pretty new to my channel. I added it last month because I was on an Instagram live with my girl Vanessa over at Vanessa Beauty, and she had V&A, and V&A is the founder and owner of Bella SkinBox. And we got to talking about the box and what was in it and her thoughts and the natural products, and I just thought it was a great box to add to the channel, so I went over and subscribed. So let's get into this. This is May, and April was my first one, so I will put a card up here in case you missed the April box. So let's open this up and see what we've got. All right. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We have a nice card that will tell us about everything we've received. There you go. Before I get into this, let me let you know that the Bella SkinBox is $35 per month. I will put the link and my code below, Kathryn5 off, and that will get you 5 off your first box. And also for the month of May, if you subscribe, she's adding in a Dirty Lamb lip scrub. And I already own that product and love it, so I can tell you it's an excellent bonus. Okay. Let's get in here and see what we've got. Well, right on top, I have the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura. And if this looks at all familiar on the channel, it's because I received this in my spring Causebox. I have used it once or twice, but then I set it back aside because I went back to using what I was already using and trying to finish. So I already have this to try. So I'm not going to get into it in case I end up wanting to pass it along. But this is the Aqua Aura Eye Cream. And the paperwork says, Earth Harbor Naturals Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, $34 value. Formulated with a powerhouse of botanicals to help slow down the signs of aging under and around the eyes, such as fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and sun damage. The result is a rested, more youthful appearance. And that sounds exactly like what we all want. So it says, dive into glowing skin. So this is next up to be used for me with my eye creams, but I'm going to use the one that I opened first, and I'm not going to open this one in case we want to do a giveaway. Reaching in next, I have a Dirty Lamb Rose Petal Toner Refreshing Face Mist, and it is 4 ounces. This is what it looks like. It's just a clear mist. Let's see what the paperwork says. Dirty Lamb Rose Petal Toner, $27. This antibacterial toner will work to fight against acne, eczema, dermatitis, and other harsh skin conditions. Aloe vera moisturizes and softens irritated, dry skin. The luxurious smell of rose petals will decrease anxiety and stress, making every day more enjoyable. Witch hazel minimizes pore size, controls oil production, and balances your skin type. Decreases eye puffiness. Well, this is a lot of words that I want to hear, so we're going to spray this. I mean, relieves anxiety and reduces irritation, and oh yeah, we want all of those things. Prime it. Okay. Oh, it smells nice. It is not. You know, sometimes the rose things are like, pow, they are so much rose. This is not. This has a nice undertone of rose. I almost smell like the witch hazel. You can smell the cleanliness of it. Feels really refreshing. That's nice. It's kind of warm up here in my taping room, so that feels perfect. All right, reaching in next, I have our tool, and I think that I heard somebody say, I think it was Vanessa, say each month we get some sort of tool, and this month it is the After Spa Reusable Cotton Makeup Removers, and this is what the box looks like. So let's get in here and see what they are. While I'm opening this, let me let you know that in the month of June, she's also going to have a sale of things that are from like the past boxes and other new items, so that you'll have a chance to try things like if you've watched somebody's box from January or February and you thought, oh, I'd really like to try that, which there are a couple items I feel that way about, that sale is going to be the perfect way to do it. So it comes in a little bag. And when we take it out, oh, we have 3 that are this size, kind of the size of the palm of your hand. They feel kind of like a cross between velour and felt, just to give you an idea of what they feel like. And then these are the bigger ones, and they're almost the size of my full hand. Let me put the others up here so you can see the difference. And you get 2 of these. And the big ones seem to be 2-sided. This feels the same as the little ones, but this back side feels more aggressive, like you could exfoliate with it. Let's see what the paperwork says. I love they have a little bag to keep them in. After Spa Reusable Makeup Remover Pads, $10. It removes up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of the extra soft texture remover fabric with only water. It is ideal for all skin types. You will save a lot on wipes and makeup removers. $10. That seems like a bargain for all of that. Ooh, with my glasses on, I can now tell you that this side up close really does look kind of veloury and felty, and this side looks rougher, like a washcloth almost, like a terry washcloth. Put your glasses on, look close. It's amazing what you can see. Okay, reaching in next, I have something wrapped in bubble wrap. That's always fun. I have the Tropic Glow Naturals Clay Face Mask, and it's a powder. That's kind of fun. Look how pretty that is. I love it with the little flamingos on it. The back side has more flamingos. I love that. Let's see what the paperwork says about it, and then we'll get in and look at it. Tropic Glow Naturals Clay Facial Mask, $33. Indulge in our clay facial mask created with a custom blend of clays and botanical extracts that will leave your skin feeling smooth, cleansed, and glowing. This mask gently exfoliates your skin, helps clear out blocked pores, and is filled with beneficial vitamins and nutrients for our skin. Our facial clay masks are left in the dry form to allow full benefits of exfoliating, drawing out of toxins, calming and hydrating the skin, all without the use of preservatives. I love that. This means that your product will last longer and you can mix it with different liquids such as aloe or apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the mask with enough water or your favorite liquid in a non-metal bowl to create a paste. That all sounds so interesting. So let's open it up. And you can tell, trying not to make the world's worst mess, it's just a powder. That is so cool. I love that because they left it dry, they didn't have to put the preservatives in it. It was sealed too. My seal just stuck to the top. I cannot wait to try this, especially in the summer. This is the kind of thing that as a rule I don't use in the winter, but in the summer I really do. All right, and last in the May box, and then I have a little bonus thing to show you. Oh, and she told me about this product and I forgot about it, and I forgot how excited I was. It is the Coco Canna Skin Cure Candle. I know, interesting, right? But it's a candle, but it's skincare, but it's a candle, but it's skincare. How cool is that? Let's read about it and then we'll get in here and look at it. It is 3.5 ounces, by the way. The Coco Canna Skin Cure Candle, $35. Wrap yourself in our restorative cocoon. Feel the fluttering cocoa butter kiss that is Coco Canna's Skin Cure Candle, infused with CBD and botanical oils and creamy coconut wax. Create a soothing remedy with peace of body and mind. Light your candle. Allow the wax to melt to the edges of the jar. Spoon into hand and apply to skin. We recommend it be used for rituals, a massage oil, moisturizer, or a pain salve. $35 again if I didn't mention that. How cool is that? So basically you light the candle. I mostly just smell like a little bit of coconut, but other than that, not much of anything. So that's the candle, and you just light it. You let it melt to the outer edges, and then you take a spoon, like I'll probably use like a plastic spoon, dip in, and then you put it on whatever you want. And what I am thinking about, since I know you make it warm and it says it could be used for a pain salve, is, I know this is probably an overshare, I have a little bit of arthritis in this finger right here. And sometimes, especially in the winter, as we move into the warmer season, it won't be as big a problem. But especially in the winter, it gets really sore. And I think that putting the warm wax on it and then the CBD oil can sink in, I'm hoping that it makes a difference. I am so excited to try this. I will probably try this over on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Insta, it's just at KathrinMCCARTY on Insta. Definitely go over and follow me there because I will probably do this on Insta. Okay, so that is the May box. But when I was talking to VNA the other day, and again, she's the owner of the box, she let me know that in addition to the $5 off your first box, in the month of May, if you subscribe, you'll also get that Dirty Lamb lip scrub. And she's gonna have a great sale of some of the past box items and new items. She let me know that something that she had for sale was something that she and I had actually talked about on Insta with Vanessa, and I had to look up how to say it. It's gua sa, and I want to say gua sha because there's an H in there, but when I looked it up, it's gua sa. It's a Chinese method of getting the blood flowing on your face, and actually other parts. They use it on your neck, you can use it on your back, and they make them in different shapes and sizes. And I have been watching Vanessa do it on her Insta, and I thought, I want to play with that. So she said she had some that she's going to put in that June sale, which is how I circled back to that. But she would send me one if I wanted to go ahead and purchase one now for with my May box, and I for sure did. And it's just rose quartz, and how gorgeous is that? Isn't that just so pretty? I love these pieces of quartz. And what you do, and I can't do it now because I don't have anything on my face, is you make your face wet somehow. You can put extra moisturizer on it, or you can put a toner on it, and you just take it and you do it like there and do along your jawline or here and along your cheek line. And you can read about how to use it so that you're adding circulation to your face, and you want to do it toward your lips, so you're also taking away drainage and moisture. And they do it up and down their neck and at the nape of the neck. There are so many things and so many really cool videos out there on it. So I'm going to get good at it, and then we'll have a video on it. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate it. So this was our May Bella Skin Box. I loved unboxing it. I am so excited to use all of these products. We got the nice makeup removers, which will be fantastic, especially for eyes. And, you know, I often say with these smaller ones, when I make videos, or sometimes if you go out, back when you could go out, if you use like a liquid matte lip, and then you have to get it off. If you don't want to clean your whole face, this is a great way to do it. We have this awesome, I cannot wait to try it, candle that you melt and then apply. We have the Tropic Glow's Clay Face Mask, which doesn't have the liquids in it, and I love the idea of that and less preservatives and all of that. The Dirty Lamb Rose Toner, which felt very nice and has not irritated. I know you guys know I'm sensitive. Has not irritated my skin at all, so 2 thumbs up with that. The Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Eye Reparative Cream, and all of that comes to $139. That's just fantastic. For $35, it's a great box. Again, thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any interest, I will put my link and my code below. Have a great rest of your weekend. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.